Right, right students, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss about the shorter distance between two parabolas. Let us see these two parabolas. One parabola is y equal to x square plus 1. Second parabola is y square equal to x minus 1. So x square equal to y minus 1. What is the vertex of this parabola? 0, 1. What is the vertex of this parabola? 1, 0. Let us draw both of the curves. What is the first curve? Vertex 0, 1. This is the point 0, 1. Vertex. X square equal to 4a/8. Parabola open upwards. Parabola open upwards. Next. What about this vertex? Vertex at 1, 0. Parabola open towards positive x-axis. These are the two parabolas. Now they are given these two parabolas. We have to find the shortest distance between them. Say somewhere we occur this one. Right. First you observe these two parabolas. X square equal to y minus 1 and y square equal to x minus 1. Interchange x and y. Interchange x and y. We get y square equal to x minus 1 this parabola. By interchanging x and y, we are getting some other curve. That means the two curves are symmetric with respect to the line y equal to x. The two curves are symmetric with respect to line y equal to x. That means this is the shortest distance. Somewhere we get this point. At this point, the tangent is parallel to y equal to x. Parallel to y equal to x. At this point, say this point is A and this point is B. At the point A, the tangent is parallel to y equal to x. At the point B, the tangent is parallel to y equal to x. Observe that here the two curves are symmetric with respect to y equal to x. Right. Now what is this curve? Y square equal to x minus 1. Derivative 2y into dy by dx equal to 1. dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. dy by dx at the point A. At the point A equal to 1 by 2y. What is the slope of tangent at the point A parallel to y equal to x? What is the slope of y equal to x? 1. Then this line is parallel to y equal to x. This line slope is also 1. So slope of the tangent at the point A is equal to 1. So 1 by 2y equal to 1. What is this implies? Y equal to 1 by 2. Y equal to 1 by 2. Now substitute that y value in this equation. Y square equal to x minus 1. 1 by 4 equal to x minus 1. 1 plus 1 by 4 equal to x. X equal to 5 by 4. Then what is the A point? What is the A point now? What is the A point now? What is the A point? X value 5 by 4, comma 1 by 2. This is the A point. In the same way, we have to do for the B point also. But here the two curves are symmetric with respect to y equal to x. Then what is the B? That point B is nothing but image of A with respect to y equal to x. The point B is image of A with respect to y equal to x. How we get image with respect to y equal to x? Just interchanging. A point is 5 by 4, 1 by 2. Therefore, what is the B point? 1 by 2, 5 by 4. B point 1 by 2, 5 by 4. Now this is A point and this B point. What is the AB distance? Square root of 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 4 whole square, that equal to square root of. Now take LCM. Take LCM. 5 minus 2, 3 by 4 whole square. This is also minus 3 by 4 whole square. That equal to square root of 9 by 16 plus 9 by 16. That equal to square root of 18 by 16 that equal to 3 root 2 by 4 or 3 by 2 root 2. So this is the shortest distance between two parabolas. What is the shortest distance? AB equal to 3 by 2 root 2. Right. Right. They are asking the question in a different way also. How they are asking is, we have to find the minimum area of circle. This is the circle, minimum area of circle that touches both the parabolas. Minimum area of circle that touches both the parabolas. That means this is the circle. Now they are asking for area. What is the distance AB? The distance AB is the diameter. What is the diameter? 3 by 2 root 2. Then what is the radius? D by 2. That equal to 3 by 4 root 2. Then what is the area? Now they are asking for area. What is the area equal to? Pi r square. That equal to pi into, what is the r square? 3 by 4 root 2 whole square. That equal to pi into 9 by 32. That equal to 9 pi by 32. 9 pi by 32. Right, students? So this is the way they are asking the problem. This is a very important problem for mains and advanced one. They are asking for shortest distance between two parabolas. Right. Suppose in the case, if the two parabolas are not symmetric with respect to y equal to x, how we proceed? Let us see that type of problems in the next video. Right, students? Thank you very much. Keep watching.